Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at a pen by Monteverde. And this is the Monteverde Poquito Ballpoint pen. And as you can probably guess from the name, it's going to be on the smaller side. And this is the Poquito. Here's the pen in question. And it's actually not a very big pen. It measures just about 4 inches, maybe a teeny bit over. And it's a metal pen, and you just twist it. You just twist it like so, and the pen comes out, and it's Monteverde. The Monteverde Poquito. And it's not a very expensive pen. It's under 10 bucks. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, it has the thing that I don't like about it is it's got one of those, like, stylus bumps at the end of it. And I've never liked them. And I really wish I could have found one of these without it. But I didn't see any that didn't have the thing at the end of it. Now, if you want to change the ink, what it is since you twist it to release it, you got to take this thing out right here, and it just unscrews like so. And this is the refill for it, and you just basically pull this thing off and replace the refill. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab a D1 refill out of a pen and see if it's the same thing. This is a Skillcraft B3 Aviator, probably my favorite multi-pen of late, and it takes D1s, so we'll pop out the red D1 and test it out. So pop this thing on like so, and let's screw it back in, see how it works. Alright, so not so well. Alright, the refill, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It says D13. I don't know what that means. I'm trying to think if I have any of the Monteverde like D1s on hand. Okay, I was kind of super excited about this pen because it looked like it took D1s, but apparently it doesn't. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't have it pushed in all the way. Let's try that again. Maybe that was my problem. Alright. There we go. Okay, I feel much better about that. So, just make sure when you do your refilling, you push it into the little holder all the way. I didn't have it shoved in all the way. Maybe I shoved it in too hard. Wow. Well, you know what? There are a few problems that a Swiss Army knife cannot solve, and this is one of them. And probably one of the few rare uses for the pliers on your Swiss Army knife. There you go. So that's no problem at all. Alright. So, it does take D1 refills, which makes me feel much better. I was super sad that it didn't look like it was going to take them. Well, I'll put that back in a second. Let me fix the pen we're actually talking about. Alright. So, you just pop it back in, like so. And There you go. It's kind of a neat little pen. Still not super thrilled about the little squishy stylus thing at the top of it. But as like a little miniature petite pen goes, that's not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have y'all tried the Monteverde Poquito? Are you a fan? Do you like it? Do you not like it? So, let me know in the comments. And I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out the pen. And if there's anything that you think I should check out, just let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope y'all have an excellent day.